Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by making sure you have the right access: device owner, parent account, or admin. Once done, open Google Play, tap your profile, go to Settings and choose Parental Controls. Turn parental controls on and create a secure PIN. This prevents unauthorized changes. Next, set an app maturity level that blocks the categories you don't want installed. Make sure the PIN is memorized or stored securely so you don't accidentally lock yourself out. Continue by linking the device to Family Link or enabling download approvals in the Play Store so every app request needs your consent. Make sure you also require authentication for purchases to prevent side-loading paid apps. If the device permits, go to Settings App's Google Play Store and disable the app to fully block installations. Note this works on many consumer devices, but not all system-locked phones. Lastly, remove account privileges from other users or set up a restricted profile for kids to stop installs. Finish by testing the lock. Try installing an app and verify it prompts for approval or is blocked. If it still allows installs, clear Play Store cache and data, reboot the device, and recheck parental controls. Sometimes stale data bypasses settings. Make sure the PIN is correct. If you lose it, reconfigure Family Link or remove and re-add the Google account from a parent/admin device. If disabling Play Store failed, use a restricted profile or MDM for full control.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.